Another wonderful day amongst the stars. Buckle up for another ride. Time for another video preview. Hold on, folks. Don't go anywhere just yet. You're here for a reason. Either it's an ad campaign or it's because you love trucks like I do. Let me tell you, this is not your ordinary day in the life of Trucking Channel. You scored the mother load. Deviator on the road and back again. Trucking loads going out of our way. Topic driven for our family of viewers. Join us. Subscribe today. Ride along with me. Let's do what we do best. Fill these bad boys up and make it count. One load can make a difference. Chances are, if you're seeing this, you like trucking. Deviator on the Road is a topic-driven channel. My daily journey through the business of running truck in America. Opinion and commentary on a variety of news, topics, and the people I meet, the loads I carry, and so much more. And today is no different. We're going to Louisville, Kentucky, and we're introducing good people. Met with Shamiel. He's a yard dog here at the Home Goods.
Shamiel, he's one of the many guys that pulled me aside and asked me about Landstar. And I'm telling him the same thing I tell everybody. If you're considering going as a lease owner operator, man, gauge it, look at it. From my perspective, being with Landstar is perfect. It's a great place for someone that's got a few years of experience.
Well, I hope I talked him into it. I hope he does the best thing for him. So, Shamiel, I'll be looking for you, buddy. It doesn't hurt to walk around with a video camera and record the outside condition of that trailer when you pick it up. The seal, the tires, any damage. You always want to make sure that everything is recorded and documented. Anyway, we're talking about a FedEx load going from here, Louisville, where I'm at now, to Tampa. There's a FedEx place down there in Tampa. I'll be dropping hook. I'll be dropping it down there Monday morning. Talking about a rate of $2,600 for the load. And ponder that trucks alone would suffer from a strike. Today, we're going to take a quick look at what could happen when strikes don't work the way they're planned, and explore what would be if truckers could go on strike. Since the 60s, groups and classes of people have taken to extreme measures to make their concerns heard, and some made national headlines. Picket lines and news media are increasingly made for each other these days. Imagine if every one of those were shut down and locked up tonight. That could happen if for some reason truck drivers couldn't pick up the loads to deliver. That's one of the effects, empty shelves. All those businesses would have an interruption if the trucking world as we know it were to stop. Well, there you have it, a preview of our next video called Strikes in Trucking. Click the link up top to watch that video, or look for it in the link in the description below. Many viewers have recently decided to climb on board and enjoy the ride with us. And to all those fine people out there, thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't done so already, click the link and subscribe today. Buckle up and enjoy the ride. Hey, thanks for watching my video today. This is Deviator, reminding you to keep it real, keep both hands on the steering wheel. When you're out there on the road, think of others, help lighten the load. So until next time, my friends, remember, be happy, stay safe, and make it count.